Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna tell you about how to fix data internet problem in your Realme device. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, scroll down, click on apps, click on app management, click on three dots, show system apps, and right here Google Play Services, and you will see here it is Google Play Services. Just you have to do is clear cache and clear data like this, then simply press back, then right here Android and Android system. Here it will show Android system. Just clear cache this and simply press back. Then friends, you have to click on storage settings and click on here reset. Click on reset phone. Here it is reset network, so you have to just apply the password and reset it. It will fix your problem. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.